Hello friends and welcome to my channel. In this short video I will present you this. It's a very simple but very useful tool. It's a mini vise for PCB and as you can see it's strong. Let's begin. Now I prepared here all the parts. This it's from an old bicycle patch kit. This was used for the tires, to patch the tires. I made this to not use the table. I use this when I put on the table. On this part I made two holes for this, and here I put these two screws. Both two parts are made from aluminium. Initially this one was longer, but you will see that it's not very stable, it's oscillating. Here I made also two holes and I will put this. This is all the parts are salvaged. This is salvaged from this support, but this was not very stable and I cannot use this. Now I will put here now I mounted all complete. It's very useful when you have to weld or we have to repair. As I told you, it's oscillating. Maybe the next one I will make this piece from iron, from aluminium, as you can see, but it's strong enough. This is first version and maybe I will make another one. But it's good when you want to weld or you want to repair something. If you want, you can make for free something like this for you. I hope that you like this project. See you in my next video. Bye.